Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and here I gonna show you the straightforward tips on how to boost Apple AirPods or other headphones volume level on Android mobile for music, video, podcast, and more. Follow the video till the end to know why is your AirPods volume is low, and tricks for the boost that for the streaming apps like Prime Video, Spotify, Apple Music, Pandora, YouTube Music, and another app. First is to check Equalizer settings on Android mobile. To take a live audio comparison test, first pair your AirPods to your Android mobile and play any song in the background, then change Equalizer. Let's do it. Press and hold on the button given on the AirPods charging case until you see amber light flashing out. And make sure both AirPods are in the case and the lid is open. Now, open settings from the control center. Now, tap on connections. Now, tap on Bluetooth option. Here's your AirPods name. And tap on it to pair AirPods with your Android mobile. Once your AirPods is connected to Android mobile, open Settings app and select Sounds and Vibration option. Then, find and select Sound Quality and Effects option. Here's the Equalizer option. Tap on it and change your high-performance sound with the desired equalizer, otherwise, we can create or set your own custom. Here's the limited pre-defined equalizer, but you can increase it using a third-party bass booster app that I explained in number 5th tip in this video tutorial. Here's another important settings, Dolby Atmos. And experience breakthrough audio for media playback, the folks above or around you. Select the auto option or selected audio types like movies, music, and voice for loud and clear. The second solution is to disable absolute volume from the Android system settings. To make changes in absolute volume, your Android has to be enabled in developer mode. First, open the Settings app on Android mobile, scroll to About Phone and open it. Now, find and tap on Software Information, and then tap on the build number for saving times. And enable developer mode. Then enter the correct phone unlock PIN to verify, and that's it. Now, go back to the previous menu and see developer options. Now, see absolute volume and turn on the toggle to disable absolute volume on mobile. Now, test sound with Apple AirPods. And check the impressive sound quality even in a noisy atmosphere. Enjoy it. Also watch more important settings and tips. Solution number 3 is on one of your AirPod only working or low audio level, either left AirPod or right AirPod. So, you have to check the audio balance settings for headphones. To check audio settings, your headphones must be paired with your Android mobile. First, open the Settings app and scroll to Accessibility settings. Then find and tap on Hearing Enhancements. Here's left-right sound balance. Check the audio level in the center position. If the problem with these settings, then you will get fixed over here. Otherwise, follow the other troubleshooting in this video. The fourth AirPods volume booster tip is increase volume, level up media volume under volume settings. Or try to push play audio if it's stuck on something. Your Android mobile side volume buttons don't respond, then change media volume from the settings. Open Settings app on mobile, go with Sounds and Vibration option, and tap on Volume option. Here's the media volume slider, slide up using a finger. That's it. Also, enable use volume keys for media toggle for change volume using side button for next time. The alternate solution is to force close the app or player that playing audio or media file on Android mobile. Number 5th tip is to use the Volume Booster app. Volume Booster app settings override the Android default settings that we saw earlier in this video. Here are some most useful Volume Booster app for your headphones. Here you can use it for AirPods. You can search yourself in the Play Store like the Volume Booster app. Here I am using Bass Boost that you can also use, that's not sponsored with us. Once you installed it on your mobile, open it by playing the song in the background app. Here I am playing the song in the Spotify app and changing equalizer from the drop-down given on this app. Also change the bass from this ring. Set your own volume booster settings and customize it. That's really sound booster tricks for AirPods users who are using Android mobile. Number 6 tip is Clean Up AirPod. Clean Up AirPod gives a drastic improvement in audio quality and pairing issues like disconnecting and won't reset AirPod to pair a new device. First of all, remove ear tips from AirPods and use a brand new toothbrush and remove dust particles from the speaker grill one by one on both AirPod. Next is to use a cotton fiber cloth and clean up each AirPod stem and use ear stick to clean up the connector inside the charging case. Then reset AirPods Pro by put both the AirPods inside the case and press and hold on the button given on the case until you see an amber flashlight flashing out on a case. Now, pair your AirPods to your Android under the Bluetooth settings. And check the Bluetooth headphone issues fixed or not. Now, check out that this problem is with only your device or not. Use your friend, family mobile. And know the wrong customization made in your mobile. Sometimes reset network settings is quite useful than all other like reset all settings and reset accessibility settings. Open Settings app and scroll to General Management and Reset option. Here's reset network settings and do it. If this option is not helpful, then perform one by one. Reset settings will make an effect on your mobile settings that we can do it later on manually. After reset network settings, pair again your AirPods under the Bluetooth settings. Don't do factory data reset because this option only erases the whole device. And fix all the connectivity issues using this solution. Number 8 tip is software update on your mobile and your AirPods firmware. Let's quickly check under the phone settings. Open Settings app, now scroll to Software Update and download and install pending updates. Now for AirPods, you can check my video on how to update AirPods firmware with iPhone. You must know that Apple AirPods doesn't update from Android mobile. Use your friend's iPhone and update the AirPods to fix the sound issues and new Apple AirPods features. Hope you get the important tips in this video, so thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Also, comment on me to get more help from us.